Hello everyone! This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join Ace Radio School to continue learning while at home. This is for the nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, and STEM subjects. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Maths. This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.
This is a secondary school session for out-of-school children. Hello listeners, my name is Adesomi Temitayo and I welcome you to today's English class on Ace Radio School. Today, I will be taking you through a summary of all that we have learned on the topic conjunction. This month, we learned that conjunctions are words that connect other words, phrases, or clauses together. We studied 3 types of conjunctions, namely coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions. We start with the coordinating conjunction. We learned that coordinating conjunctions join words, phrases, and clauses of equal grammatical level in a sentence. The acronym FANBOYS was used in remembering coordinating conjunctions, which are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. F is for, A is for and, N is for nor, B is for but, O is for or, Y is for yet, and S is for so. Make sure you remember this acronym, okay? Examples of the use of this type of conjunction are 1. His 2 favorite sports are football and tennis. 2. Tahir refuses to eat peas, nor will he touch carrots. We go to the subordinating conjunction. We learned that a subordinating conjunction connects an independent clause to a dependent clause. We learned that an independent clause can stand alone as a sentence while a dependent clause cannot, but will have to rely on the information in the independent clause. Examples are unless, after, before, since, although, because, even if, etc. Examples of the use of subordinating conjunctions are 1. As long as. The chickens will keep going out as long as you don't lock the door. In this example, the conjunction as long as is joining the chickens will keep going out and you don't lock the door. Go to the next one, because. I passed my exams because I studied all night. I passed my exams because I studied all night. Number 3, we go to the correlative conjunction. We learned that correlative conjunctions connect 2 parts of a sentence with equal value. These types of conjunctions always come in pair. They have to be used together in a sentence for the sentence to make sense. They also connect 2 balanced clauses, phrases, or words together. Examples are either / or, neither / nor, both / and, rather / then, etc. Examples of its use in a sentence are, we start with either or. Either Sule or Joseph will go to the market today. Neither nor. He neither eats rice nor noodles for lunch. Conjunctions are important as linking words because we can connect broader ideas together and use them in writing complex sentences and paragraphs that convey interesting messages. Alright, well done students for participating with your friends in today's English lesson. You can catch up on past episodes on our YouTube channel called Ace Radio School. Don't forget to subscribe. We air primary episodes on Mondays at 11 a.m., secondary episodes on Tuesdays at 11 a.m., and a repeat episode on Wednesdays at 11 a.m. Until I come your way again, it's Adesomi saying bye for now.
Hello everyone, this is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join Ace Radio School to continue learning while at home. This is for the nursery, primary and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy and STEM subjects. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Maths. This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.
This secondary school session is for out-of-school students. Hello listeners, my name is Mrs. Oluwashina Teniola and I welcome you to today's mathematics class on Ace Radio School. Today, I'll be revising factorization. I will explain how to factorize algebraic expressions. Get your pen and notebook and let's get ready to learn. Factors are numbers that can divide through other numbers without a remainder. I'll take that again. Factors are numbers that can divide through other numbers without a remainder. For example, 8 divided by 2 equals 4 and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Also, 8 divided by 8 equals 1 and 8 divided by 1 equals 8 and so on. Therefore, 1, 2, 4 and 8 are factors of 8. Now let us work on factorizing algebraic expressions. Let's consider this example. Factorize, open bracket, 5pq plus 2q, close bracket. Factorize, open bracket, 5pq plus 2q, close bracket. Firstly, let's find the factors of 5pq. That will be 5, p, and q. Now let's find the factors of 2q. That is 2 and q. Great. Now let's find what 5pq and 2q have in common. 5pq and 2q have q in common. Fantastic. This means that I'll have to bring out q from 5pq so that what is left will be 5p. And I will also have to bring out q from 2q so that what is left will be 2. Great. Therefore, open bracket 5pq plus 2q close bracket equals q open bracket 5p plus 2 close bracket. Note that q had to come out of the bracket since it is common with 5pq and 2q. Let's take more examples. Factorize, open bracket, 7ab minus 3bc plus 5bd. Close bracket. Factorize, open bracket, 7ab minus 3bc plus 5bd. Close bracket. Firstly, let's find the factors of 7ab. That will be 1, 7A and B. Now, let's find the factors of 3BC. That is 3B and C. Great! Let's also find the factors of 5BD. That is 5B and D. Now, let's find what 7AB, 3BC, and 5BD have in common. 7AB, 3BC, and 5BD have B in common. Fantastic! This means that I'll have to bring out B from 7AB by dividing 7AB by B. This will be equal to 7A. Hence, what is left out of 7AB is 7A. I will also have to bring out B from 3BC by dividing 3BC by B. This will be equal to 3C. Hence, what is left out of 3BC is 3C. Finally, I'll bring out B from 5BD by dividing 5BD by B. This will be equal to 5D. Hence, what is left will be 5D. Great! Therefore, open bracket 7AB minus 3BC plus 5BD close bracket equals B, open bracket 7A minus 3C plus 5D close bracket. Note that B had to come out of the bracket since it is common with 7AB, 3BC, and 5BD. Quite easily done. Let's consider this example. Factorize 6A plus BM plus 6B plus AM. Factorize 6A plus BM plus 6B plus AM. Firstly, let's regroup this expression by bringing the terms that are similar together. That will be 6A plus 6B plus BM plus AM. Now, let's put them in brackets. Open bracket 6A plus 6B close bracket plus open bracket BM plus AM close bracket. Now, let's find what 6A and 6B have in common. 6A and 6B have 6 in common. Great! This will become 6 open bracket A plus B close bracket. Now let's find what BM and AM have in common. AM and BM have M in common. This will become M open bracket A plus B close bracket. Let's bring them together. 6 open bracket A plus B close bracket plus M open bracket A plus B close bracket. What do you notice? Open bracket A plus B close bracket appears twice. Fantastic! But 6 and M are outside the bracket. Therefore, I'll bring them together as open bracket 6 plus M close bracket. Then I'll pick one out of the A plus B appearing twice. Hence, 6A plus BM plus 6B plus AM equals open bracket 6 plus M close bracket open bracket A plus B close bracket. Quite easily done. Well done, listeners. We have come to the end of today's session. We learnt about how to factorize algebraic expressions. I would like you to try this as an assignment and send in your answers to this phone number 070-3630-3182. Type your name, age, Gender, if you're a boy, type male. If you're a girl, type female. Your class and the state you currently live in. I hope you have done that. Now the questions. 1. Factorize 5a plus 5z. 2. Factorize 6xz plus 3s plus 2tz plus t. Factorize 6xz plus 3s plus 2tz plus t. Okay, I'll be expecting your answers. You can catch up on past episodes on our YouTube channel called Ace Radio School. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, it's bye for now.
Hello everyone! This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join Ace Radio School to continue learning while at home. This is for the nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, and STEM subjects. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Maths. This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.
This secondary session is for out-of-school children. Hello listeners, my name is Ibrahim Mak, your Ace Radio School physics teacher. Welcome to today's class on Ace Radio School. Kindly get your book and pen ready to take notes. Today, we'll be revising all we have learned this week on power. Let us start by reminding ourselves the definition of power. Can we state the definition of power together? Oh, yes, great. Let's go. Power is the rate at which work is done. Very good. How about the formula for power? Can you remember that? Wonderful. Power is equal to work done divided by time taken. Can you remember the SI unit of power? Remember, the SI unit for work done is joules. The SI unit for time taken is second. So, the SI unit for power is joules per second, written as capital J/S. But the SI unit for power has a name, and its name is watt. This is going great. I can see we have learnt a lot. Why don't we state the formula for work done also? Work done is equal to force multiplied by displacement. Let us test our understanding of the concept of work done by solving this very easy question. A soldier stands for 6 hours during a military parade, holding his rifle. The rifle weighs 20 Newton. What is the work done by this gallant soldier by holding his rifle? We can attempt to solve this question by using the formula for calculating work done. The formula once again is force multiplied by displacement. Thankfully, we know the weight of the rifle. Weight and force can be used interchangeably in this scenario. But wait a minute. What is the displacement of our gallant soldier? Our gallant soldier has been standing for 6 hours without moving. If you don't move, your displacement is 0. You might ask why? This is because displacement means the person or object must have moved from one position to another. This soldier, however, has not moved from his standing position. Therefore, his displacement is 0. Hence, his work done is 20 Newton multiplied by 0 displacement, which is equal to 0 joules. Always remember that when you need to calculate power, use the formula, which is work done divided by time taken. If you are not given the work done in the question, then you calculate the work done using the formula force multiplied by displacement. What if you don't have the force? It's easy. Use the formula for force, which is mass times acceleration due to gravity, to determine force. Another thing to note is the definition of displacement, which is defined as a change in the position of a body, while force is push or pull applied to a body. Therefore, if an object has moved 5 meters, then the displacement is 5 meters. Now we know how to calculate power, work done, force, and how to identify displacement. We also learnt the value of 1 horsepower. Can you remember? We learnt that 1 horsepower is 746 watts. Moving on, let us test our understanding of the units of power by converting 100 megawatts of power to A, watt, and B, kilowatt. This is also another easy question. We just need to remember that kilo means 1000 or 10 raised to power 3, and mega means 1 million or 10 raised to power 6, 10 raised to power 6. Armed with this information, we can proceed to perform our conversions. To convert from megawatts to watt, simply convert the mega to its number equivalent. 100 megawatt is equal to 100 multiplied by 1 million, which is equal to 100 million watts. In standard form, 100 million watts is 10 raised to power 8 watts. Now let's convert 100 megawatt to kilowatt. The best way to accomplish this is to convert 100 megawatt to watts and then convert the watts equivalent to kilowatt. Luckily, we already converted to watts in part A, so we can proceed to converting the 100 million watts to kilowatt. We divide the 100 million watt by 1000 to get the value in kilowatt. Therefore, 100 million watt divided by 1000 is equal to 100,000 kilowatts. With this, we have come to the end of today's class. But before I go, I will give you some assignments. Kindly send your answers as a text message containing your name, your gender. If you are a boy, type male, a girl, type female, your class, the subject, that is physics, and the state you currently live in to 070 36 30 3182. The questions are as follows. Question number 1. What is the special name given to power? What is the special name given to power's SI unit, joules per second? The question once again is, what is the special name given to the power's SI unit, joules per second? Question number 2. 1 horsepower is equivalent to how many watts? 1 horsepower is equivalent to how many watts? Send your answers to 070-3630-3182. I believe we had fun learning today. Till I come your way again on Ace Radio School, use your power to change the world.
Hello everyone, this is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join Ace Radio School to continue learning while at home. This is for the nursery, primary and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy and STEM subjects. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Maths. This is an ACE Charity initiative powered by Grundfos Foundation.